Okay, hello everyone. So this week, this session, we will talk further about business email. And this session, the business email that we will discuss is the reply to request email. As last week, we already learned about request email. Okay, so let's just go to our e-learning platform here. I will explain to you what you have to do in this session. Okay, so as you see that we have the module and we have a discussion forum. In this discussion forum, you have to summarize and review. Okay, so um, for this week the material comes from two units, unit 6 and unit 7. Okay, so I want you to write one summary of each unit, and then you write down the insight that you get, or the learning, the new perspective that you understand from the materials. Okay, for the insight I want you to write 1 to 3 paragraphs, and for the summary I don't limit you there. Yeah, just make it brief and make sure that your summary cover all materials. Okay, that's what you need to do. Remember, we have a deadline here. The deadline is Friday, so you should do it before Friday, or 5 days. Yes, this is Friday because I'm recording this for the Monday class, but if you are the the Wednesday class, it will be on the 5th day. Okay, okay, that's the first thing that you have to do. The next thing is that you have to make a reply email, and this time we will once again use workshop. I understand that in the previous workshop assignment you were confused, hence I will explain it to you, yeah, what you should do. Okay, so let's see. Replying requests, yeah. So as you see here, that in a workshop you will have several phases. Okay, now you are in the submission phase. The submission phase is only in 4 days, so remember your deadline will be on day 4. For Monday class, your submission phase ends on Thursday. For Wednesday class, your submission phase ends on Saturday, and so on. Okay, so in the submission phase, make sure that you submit the email. Okay, after the submission phase, I will switch to the next phase, and when I switch, you will be on the assessment phase. Remember, you have to do the assessment or you will lose 30% score. Yeah, because the maximum score for submission phase is 70 and the maximum score for assessment phase is 30. And finally is the grading evaluation phase. This is my job to grade you all and to provide further evaluation. Okay, so let's go to the submission phase. What you need to write in the submission phase. Here I already have the submission, the instruction for the submission. I need you to read for the following email first. There is an email from Honor Singh to Jennifer Lightman with the subject of requests regarding basic Spanish course. Date sent 19 October 2022. Here's the email. Dear Miss Lightman, I'm writing to request your help following a change in my circumstances. Okay? Remember, in business email, we always get to the point. Be direct. After the greetings, the first paragraph of your email should always be the focus. Okay? And after the focus, now you explain further about it and what's your action, which means what do you want from the email. And don't forget to close your email. Okay, let's see. I'm writing to request for your help following a change in my circumstances. As you know, I'm enrolled on the basic Spanish course at your college, which starts on November the 5th, 2022. However, due to unforeseen family events, I have had to leave the country for a while to assist my parents in Hong Kong. At present, at present, it's not clear when I will be able to return, and unfortunately, I will not be able to start the course as planned. I would like to request a refund for the course fees already paid. I apologize for the short notice and for any inconvenience caused. In the event that a refund is not possible, I would be grateful if you could postpone my enrollment until my return. Thank you in advance for your help, and I hope to be able to update you on the situation soon. Yours sincerely, Honor Singh. Okay, so we know the request. He requested for a refund. In case the refund is not possible, he would like to postpone the enrollment until his return. And you have to reply answering this. So you are, in this case, you are Jennifer Lightman, and you have to make an email replying to Mr. Singh's request. Here is some information. Okay, so we have some information here that you need to consider when you write your email. This is the terms and condition of the course. First, any course fees are non-refundable if requested under 7 days prior to the date of the course's first session. Yeah, so it should be under 7 days. It means that if the request is 5 days before the first date or the first session, it cannot be refunded. However, if it is more than 7 days to the course starting date, it's eligible for 50% refunds. So I think the situation of Mr. Singh meet what we have here. Participants are allowed to postpone the course for as long as 2 terms, and the fees they've paid cannot be refunded. So they can choose to postpone, but the fee cannot be refunded. And we have a term here, a condition here, that the postpone can only be done for as long as 2 terms or 6 months. So if it is more than 6 months, the fees are not refundable and the person cannot take the course. So you have to inform this to Mr. Singh, okay? And you should use only version 1 email from the module. What's version 1 email? Check the module. There are 2 versions in the module, and you have to write the email using version 1 only. Also, in your email, you have to apologize for the late reply, okay? Because it's sent on October 19th, yeah, so you reply it late. So make sure that you apologize, and then you ask whether he wants to refund or postpone, and you need his answer no later than October 20th. Okay? That's what you have to write. Write the email. When writing down the email, don't forget to write this, yeah? From to subject, and then you write the email. Okay. That's the submission phase. In the assessment phase, you will have the assessment form. Let's see the assessment form or the assessment rubric. So when you're assessing your friend's work, you only need to click. Yeah, there are three criteria that you need to look at. First is task fulfillment. So you need to check whether the email fulfills um, the following tasks or not. Yeah, apologize for late reply, answer the request by giving the options, and request for a reply. If fail to fulfill all tasks, you choose this. If it only full one of the three tasks, choose this, and so on. Okay, so it's very simple to do the assessment. It's very easy. You only need to click, and after that you give your overall feedback. What should you write in your overall feedback? Remember, it's a feedback. Okay, workshop is very beneficial for students because you don't only write an email, you also assess your friend's email, you also evaluate your friend's email, and this peer evaluation is actually what makes you learn. You learn from your friends, and then you compare it to yours, and then you can get more understanding, you can get more knowledge by doing this. So give your feedback. The feedback can be um, about grammar, or about the language, or about the style of the business email, and so on. Yeah, remember, use positive tone when you write your feedback. Yeah, be respectful to your friends. That's what you can do in the assessment. Yeah, in this assessment phase. Okay, let's leave. And after you finish with the assessment, that's it. Yeah. All right. So that's what you have to do. Well, all in all, what you need to do is very simple. Yeah, you just need to first look and read the module, and then summarize the module plus add your insights about the module, and finally do a workshop. And they are not so difficult to do. Make sure that you do it. Don't procrastinate. Yeah, what makes you feel it too overwhelming is because you're procrastinating. Make sure you do it before the deadline, not near the deadline. Okay, I think that's it from me. So thank you for your attention, and bye bye.